how to enable or disable double tap space bar for period on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, so scroll down and click on more typing option. So you will see more typing option is here, so click on more typing options. So if you want to enable or disable double tap space bar to add period is here. So if you want to disable, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see disable tap space bar to add period is turn off and disable. So if you want to enable tap space bar to add period, so turn on this button. So you will enable or disable tap space bar to add period from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable tap space bar to add period on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.